The historical data clearly shows that you raise the cost of flying and you get less flying. It's $100 now, but I'll tell you something. This business is dominated by small businesses. We live on the tipping point of success and failure every day. How much is it going to cost us to collect the $100? We're going to face extra burdens. It's a heavily regulated industry, and now we're going to have to do more paperwork, more accounting. And it's $100 today. Tomorrow it's going to be $50 for a pilot to call the weather briefing service. That's what happens when we do something called user fees. We see it in Europe, and it has been detrimental in Europe.
Now, I'm familiar with Europe, obviously, and as I recall, when these kind of user fees were imposed, it killed off businesses like yours, which is a small private hire company.
You know, most people think about aviation, and our experience is flying United Airlines or Boeing, so you think it's a big business. I invite people to go to their local airports. This is a small business industry.
Very.
It's a small business industry. It's mom and pop shops. First, the government needs to stop micromanaging private businesses and let private businesses do what they do best, which is to grow jobs. Where regulations are getting in our way, well, since Jamie Dimon works in the banking industry, it is very difficult for us to borrow money because of Dodd-Frank. We've been up and down the chain of banks. We've been trying to raise capital over a couple of years.
Business. I mean,
well, certainly aviation is part of it. And we need to loosen the grip on the banks because the government cannot regulate away risks.